Welcome WBP Stars. This is my name is Mark Vaessen. We are in Ibiza, OKU restaurant, situated in the OKU hotel. I'm going to show you a nice cut from the Otoro from Balfegó. It's a tuna which we love to work with. This is an aged part, which is aged now for 10 days. You see, it's the nice fatty part, let's say the tuna belly. In Spain they call it the ventresca. I'm gonna cut a part to show you how to cut they call it a sake block, Saku block. So it's a nice slice of tuna. So this is the nice piece of saku, which we're going to use in a couple of dishes we're going to prepare for you. It's Japanese inspired, the restaurant, but of course we use all the nice produce from all over the world. This tuna is from Spain, close to Barcelona, Amet la Damar. It's called Balfegó tuna, which is a nice sustainable tuna. Very traceable. They do ikejime on the tuna, which makes it gives you a bit more time to play with the freshness of the tuna. So this one we age for 10 days, and then it gives this nice umami flavor and nice structure which we need for our dishes. So I'm going to put this away, and we leave this piece here for the next couple of
Welcome to WBP, World's Best Places. We are here at OKU Ibiza with Chef Mark Vaessen. I am Thiago Silva, the head chef of sushi. Today I'm going to show you how we season our sushi rice that will be later used for the Tuna nigiri. So we have to turn and cut the rice in the movement called Hangiri. This will give air and lightness to our sushi rice. If you can see, it's seasoned with a different color because our rice is seasoned with a different vinegar. A vinegar made of akazu, sake leaves. And you can see we don't keep any grain alone because every grain of rice is alive. There you go. Thank you very much. Hello, welcome back. So now is the part 2 of the preparation of our sushi dish. We're going to prepare some tuna nigiris. We have here 3 different cuts. You can see this is the tuna loin. The reddest part is called akami. It's red because it doesn't have so much fat. This one you can see is a little bit a different shade of red of pink. It has more fat. It's called chutoro. It's between the skin and the loin of the tuna. It has fat to protect the tuna. So this one is the toro. This is the tuna belly. It's the center of the ribs of the tuna. It's the best part. It's the richest part. It's amazing, an amazing cut. So what we are gonna do here today, we're gonna cut these three different cuts with a sushi knife. It's called a yanagiba. It's a knife every sushi chef uses. It's made with a long shape, so we can cut the fish perfectly. Especially the tuna, for example, has a lot of elastic fibers. When you cut with the long motion, with a long range of motion, it won't stretch the fish, and the fish will come out perfectly. And we'll do the 3 cuts. You'll see it's the 3 different shades and 3 different shapes, and I hope you can enjoy them at OKU hotels. So here you have our nigiri. We have 3 colors: the lean tuna, the medium fatty tuna, and the fatty tuna. And we're gonna finish it with the nigiri sauce. It's a special sauce, a reduction of soy sauce, katsuobushi, kombu, and we're gonna brush the nigiris with it so they are ready to eat. There you go. Here you have tuna nigiri at OKU hotels. We hope to receive you soon. Thank you very much.